So hello guys and welcome back to Smart Money Hustle. So guys, today I have a site that I want to share with you. So I did an application for this site and luckily I got accepted, okay? And today I want to share with you because I understand most people are looking for sites like this ones which they can use to make some money, okay? And this one, the good thing is a remote site, so it means you can work from home. So your work, it's going to center around recording your audio and then you submit and then you get paid, okay? So the jobs are like these ones, you see? This one of role play, this one of standard. So you see the pay is over here and the tasks are available, okay? So the name of the site is Pila8 and this site is creative because many people don't know about it, but because I want to be helping some people out there, then I decided to share it, okay guys? You can also see my approval is over here. I was approved and this is after doing the specific things that they wanted. So guys, I want to pass you through step by step of how to sign up, okay? And because this is a new site or a site that most people don't know about, I'm sure once I share it, many people are going to apply. So be among the first ones to apply. Watch this video up to the end so that you don't miss anything. And by the way, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe so that whenever I upload videos like this ones, you're going to be among the first to be notified. This is first come, first grab. Okay, guys? So let me just show you how I did my application so that you can also copy from me, okay? I want you guys to also get an account like this one. So what you'll do, you'll just head over to your Chrome browser like this one and then you'll type over here Pila8 and then it's going to give you this site over here. So what are you going to do? You're going to open this first link over here. And once you are in, you will just come over here and click apply now. It is good for you to pass through this homepage to see what they offer, what the site is all about, but it measures mainly in recording, okay? So just record your voice, upload, do the tasks that are given over there of recording, and then you upload and then you get paid, okay? But you also follow the rules that they give. So you can see like me, I'll just use an account like this one. That is my Google account. I'm applying actually. So it is like I'm signing up, okay? Now after that, now you are supposed to fill your personal background. By the way guys, I'll advise you to do this sign up using a phone. Why? Because using a phone, it will be easy for you to record your voices, okay? And a phone is good because you'll just insert your microphone and start recording, okay? So I'm using a computer for the purposes of demonstration, though you can also use your PC, but me, I tried using my computer and I was rejected. So I tried reapplying back using my phone and I was accepted. They told me my audio was not good, so I did it again and using a phone and I was accepted. So first of all guys, you come and fill your personal background. So here you come and fill your name, you come and fill your sex, you come and fill your birth date, okay? I'm just using this as a demonstration, okay? Next, you'll come over here, continue, you press continue. You also select your country of residence. Now here is where most people are going to be disqualified. So you'll just come over here and check if your country is listed, okay? So if it is not listed, I'm sorry. Just click your country if it is listed over here. Like me, I selected the United States, okay? And my state region, I selected California. And then I came and click over here. I understand my country selection will be used for payout setup. So you see over here, for payout, you're supposed to use your country, okay guys? And then I clicked continue. You click continue. And then you come over here, you now click your language. Which language do you speak? For me, my major language is English, okay? So my accent, I can say like, let me just choose American California, okay? I come over here, I click continue. And then now I enable my microphone. So you are supposed to plug in your microphone on your computer, okay? Just that simple. And then once you do that, now you click enable microphone and then you click allow while visiting the site. So it's going to detect your microphone and you can see now mine is ready, okay? Then you come over here. You click here, check noise. It is going to detect the noise in your background. You give it time to finish. So you can see like right now, it has already detected my noise and it has already tell me that I've passed that part, okay? Next, you run a network test, okay? So I'll advise you to use your mobile data in case your Wi-Fi is weak, okay? Because here they require you to, you can see like me, they are telling me I failed. But I won't discourage you guys. If you have like 15 Mbps and above or 20 Mbps and above, even if they write failed, they are going to accept you. Because also me, I had like 28 Mbps. They told me fail, but they still accepted me, okay? You click continue. And once you do that, you come over here now. These are now the tests that you're supposed to accomplish or to do, okay? First of all, you're supposed to record your background noise, okay? You come over here, you click record, okay? You're not supposed to speak. So they are checking your environment noise level, okay? So it's going to run for 25 seconds. So you give it time to finish, okay? Good. So you can see this one I've already passed. They have even given me a tick, okay? Now you come to the next exercise, which is calibration line. Now you're supposed to read the following script aloud in your natural voice. Okay, guys? So we'll just click over here, record, and then I'm going to read it. The rainbow is a division of white light into many beautiful colors. This takes the shape of a long round arc with its path high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. So I'm going to click stop. So you can see mine is not that correct. I'm just using this as a demonstration, guys, okay? You click over here, next exercise. Now you come over here, you record also this one. This one is a tongue twister. So guys, this one I don't want to do it because you're going to laugh at me, okay? So you just do it, or let me just try doing it. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. She sells seashells by the seashore. The sick shake, 6 sheep's sick. Make sure you are laudable, okay? After that, you click next exercise. Now you are supposed to answer this one, okay? Imagine you are designing your dream vacation. Describe the destination, activities you will do, and why it stands out as the perfect getaway. So this one, guys, I can give you a trick. You can go and ask ChatGPT, and then it's going to give you an idea of what to answer, okay? So let me assume I'm answering. So if I am designing my dream vacation, then my destination can be Hawaii. Some of the activities that I'll be doing is like swimming, I'll be sunbasking. And this is going to stand out to me because it's something that I like, it's my hobby and everything, okay? So I really like it because I will have free time to ease myself, to release stress, okay? I'll also be interacting with other people, so that means I'm going to be developing my social connection with other people. And it's going to be very, very good for me, okay? So that's all. Guys, you can see I have just recorded for like 30 seconds. So don't worry, just let it run for this minimum of 1 minute, and then it's going to stop, and then you're going to submit, okay? Good. So you click stop, you wait for it to be saved. So all of these 4 parts are done, okay? Make sure while you are recording these parts, you are audible, and please record it in a place that does not have noise, okay? And also the secret, guys, here is to be laudable. Make sure you speak in a loud voice, and also avoid speaking directly to the microphone, okay? And then you're going to click over here, continue. And then now after doing that, don't worry about the network status. You click there, you click there, you click there, you agree to this, and then you submit your application. So now you can see my application is under review, guys, and I'm just waiting to see if they are going to accept me in. I don't know if they are going to accept me in. So you'll just come over here, you type your Gmail in that browser that you're using, the Gmail that you're using, and then you open your Gmail, then be on the lookout. They usually reply instantly, okay? Depending on your country, okay? So like for me, you can see they haven't replied yes, but they are going to reply, okay? So once they reply, I'll see if I've been accepted or not, okay? So I don't know if I should give it some few minutes to see if they're going to accept me. But I think they're not going to accept me because mine was not clear. But make sure you are clear. They're going to accept you. You're going to see a message like this one of being approved, okay? So guys, that is the opportunity. I think this video has not been that good, but if you follow the steps that I've given, then I'm sure you are going to get an account, okay? And once you get an account, go and do your best, okay guys? Go and do your best. I'm sure you're going to get something from this site if you're serious enough. So I'm going to share another site anytime, so please subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can share this one with your relatives. Go and try it out. This is Smart Money Hustle. Don't forget to give me a like, and also please subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Bye.